If you love baked beans, you'll definitely want to try this microwave 3-bean bake recipe. Karo Dark Corn Syrup creates a delicious, rich flavor. Bring this to your next potluck or picnic. In a 3-quart microwave-safe casserole dish, arrange 5 slices of bacon in a single layer. Cover the dish with a paper towel. Microwave on high 4 to 6 minutes, or until the bacon is crisp. Remove the bacon and drain it on a paper towel. In the casserole dish, reserve 1 tablespoon of the bacon drippings. Next, stir in a ½ cup of chopped onions. Microwave for 2 minutes or until the onions are tender. After the bacon is cooled, crumble it and set aside. When the onions have cooked, combine 5 strips of crumbled bacon, 3/4 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of prepared mustard, a ½ cup of Karo Dark Corn Syrup, two tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, 1 can of kidney beans, one can of pinto beans, and 1 can of black beans. All of the beans should be rinsed and drained before you add them. Stir until well mixed. Microwave on high for 15 to 17 minutes and make sure to stir them twice. Let the beans stand for 5 minutes and then serve.